Hello YouTube, this is a follow-up on my previous video on unboxing the OHWOAI network video recorder. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the client on my Android phone and how to set it up so you can view the images remotely. The first thing that's going to happen is that the network video recorder is going to present you with a QR code so you can download and install the application. Let's do that. Once you install the application from the market that you have on your phone, in this case the name is IP Pro, you're going to be asked to allow the application to access your multimedia resources. And then it's going to proceed to create an account that you can create with your cell phone number or an email. I'm going to use an email in my case. Once you confirm the email, it's going to send you a confirmation email to your email with a code, verification code, so we can ensure that that's your email account. So let me grab that activation code from my email and switch back to the application and paste the verification code. And then I'm going to choose a password that I'm going to confirm twice. Once you finish the process of confirming your account and going back into the application, allow the permissions to record audio in case that you want to have bidirectional audio with one of your cameras, and scan the QR code that you're gonna find on the DVR device in the menu. Once you scan the QR code for the network video recorder, the OHWOAI network video recorder, you're gonna be asked for the password. Just enter the password and click login. And now it's checking whether we can access the network video recorder via the wireless network. Once you open it, you'll be able to see the cameras. Let's see what functionalities we have here. We can most definitely click on one of the cameras to zoom in and see it closely. Let's turn it. As you can see, it turns properly to show a bigger view, a horizontal view, rotating the phone. This is a camera that I just connected here on a corner, so we can test it. Let's go back to the 4 cameras view, and you have some controls that will allow you to control a PTC camera in case you have that functionality. In my case, I don't have that functionality, but you have controls to pan, zoom, and tilt. You have controls also to record, to take a picture, to record video. Let's go back to the vertical view. You have functionalities at the top to back up a segment of the recording to your phone, and also down below you're gonna find the same controls to control the PTC aspects of the camera should you have that functionality. Also, every time that you switch a camera in between cameras, you're gonna see the speed, how many megabytes, what is the bandwidth that you're using for your network video recorder for your security system. Let's see what else do we have on this interface. We have the backup at the top, the PTC controls at the bottom if you have selected one camera. And you can select the speed grade of the PTC as well. You can add presets for different connections. And you can also move back and forth in time to see the previous recordings. In my case, I just connected these cameras, so I don't have any previous video recordings on the device. But if you had some, you'll be able to go back and see them. On the first screen, you have a space to add several network video recorders. Let's go back into the only one that I have. You can change the aspect ratio of the screen between 4.3, 16.9, and the original aspect ratio of the cameras. Let's click at the top and see how does the backup functionality works. Pretty much it's gonna ask you for the backup for the channel that you want to back up. and also it is gonna ask you for the starting time and the end time of the interval that you wanna record, that you wanna save to your phone and make a backup. You can switch the channel, switch the times for the time interval that you want to do a backup to your phone. Let's go back to the main screen. And that is pretty much all the functionality that comes with the OHWOAI mobile client. If you like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep producing it for you. Also, if you're interested in networking, small business technology, and small business in general, subscribe to my channel, as that's the type of content that I'm producing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.